Bigo, tune in for sure. Business matters, they run a whole show. Streaming every night, they never take a break. Making moves online, no time for mistakes. Bigo, we on
Okay, so today we're going to do a deep dive into changing your Bigo Live number. We've got this this guide right here that that explains exactly how to do that.
Yeah.
So, you know, for anybody out there who might not know, Bigo Live is a live streaming app.
Right.
You know, it's a place to connect with people, build an online presence, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
But sometimes you just need a new phone number, right? If you got a new phone, maybe you don't want people having your old number.
Yeah.
So this is exactly what we're going to cover today, how to change that number.
That's good.
All right. So, you know, looking at this guide, the steps actually seem pretty simple.
Yeah.
You just got to open up the app. You go to your profile settings,
Okay.
find the account management section.
Right.
And there it is. Bind account.
Bind account. That's interesting.
Yeah.
So I guess that's like the way that they link your phone number to your Bigo Live identity.
Right.
Almost like I don't know, like a digital handshake or something. Yeah.
Makes sense that you would have to go through that section to change it.
For sure. Well, hold on, though, because there's this little note at the bottom of the guide here, and it says that if you don't have access to your old phone number, you're kind of out of luck with this method. What's that all about?
Well, I mean, you think about it, like, what if somebody else is trying to change your number?
Right.
Without you knowing?
That'd be bad.
Yeah, that could be a big problem.
Yeah.
So I think this is just like a security measure.
Okay.
To make sure that it's actually you who's trying to make the change.
Gotcha.
So they don't want just anybody going in and changing your number.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happens, though, if you are in that situation? I mean, you know, what if you've lost access to your old number?
Right.
But you still need to change it on Bigo Live. What do you do?
Well, the guide suggests reaching out to Bigo Live customer service.
Okay.
There's this feedback option in the app you can use to contact them directly.
Right. I imagine they've probably dealt with this kind of thing a lot.
Yeah, we think so.
You know, people losing their phones or getting new numbers. So it seems like they've got a pretty good system in place for helping people with that.
Right. Okay, so when in doubt, contact customer support.
Yeah, that's always a good idea.
Exactly.
And, you know, sometimes you don't even have to contact them, you know?
Oh, yeah.
A lot of times you can find the answer to your question on their support page or their FAQ section.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, so I would say, you know, before you reach out to customer support, just take a quick look there.
Yeah, definitely save you a lot of time.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so to recap real quick, changing your Bigo Live number.
Yeah.
Pretty easy. If you can still access your old number.
If you can. Yeah.
But if not, customer service is there to help you out.
Exactly.
Great. So that's all the info from the guide. But this whole thing kind of got me thinking about, like, you know, online security versus convenience. Like, you know, on the one hand, you want things to be easy. Right. You want to be able to change your number quickly.
Exactly.
But on the other hand, you also want to make sure that your account is safe.
Yeah. You don't want somebody else going in there and messing with your stuff.
For sure.
So, yeah, it's kind of a balancing act, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah,
it is.
Yeah.
So I guess the question for everybody listening is, how do you approach that balance?
Right.
How do you keep your information safe online?
Yeah.
Without making things too complicated for yourself?
Yeah. What are your priorities?
Yeah, food for thought.
Definitely.
All right. Well, that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, everyone.
We'll catch you next time.
See?
Bigo, we on the grind. Business matters.